5-point filing is when you have a square. If you have a shape like mine, it'll be 4-point filing. Right here's 1 and right here's 2. So that's this. This is 1, 2. Then you'll have a hang under here. That is 3 and 4. So here 5-point filing is 1, 2 on the side, 3, 4, and on the tip 5. So what that's going to do is bring it all kind of into shape. Then what we do is what's called an I formation. And I think this is the most important part. If the nail is like this and this is the letter I, what we like to do is follow the main parts of your eye first before you file any of this negative space right here. I like to do the eye first, which is your cuticle work. So you're going to file around the cuticle. Then you're going to turn the fingernail sideways. You're never going to file it this way. If you're filing it straight on, how do you know that your apex is going to be in there? You don't. You have to look at it from the side. When you apply product, it's not going to look this pretty sometimes. Sometimes it's higher here, sometimes it's higher here. I would file zone 1 here, never letting it disappear. If it disappears like you see it here, you don't know if you're going to hit your side or if you're filing too much over there. You will just bring it down just on the top part. Then when you look at it like this down the barrel, you're going to see it fat on the sides, and that's this part. Then you're going to take zone 3 and zone 1 up to zone 2, so it gives you the shape I have right now. So then you're looking at this view of it filing, and you're filing it this way to bring everything in, and then you'll have a great shaped nail after that.